the microphone very close to your mouth and say 1, 2, 3, 4. Closer, hold on, I'll do it for you. Bring the microphone a little closer, say 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How about back there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. Now press this button twice. Once, twice, good. Now press this button so that we get the airport weather.
So we get what?
This one, we're going to hear the weather. Press.
Next class Charlie
and press this button.
Request that you proceed via the 5 freeway or the 210 freeway for entry into Whiteman's class Delta. Do not proceed direct for the forced accent down. Advise on this for contact. You have information India. Whiteman Tower information India 2255 Zulu. Wind 1607. Visibility 10. Sky clear. Temperature 29er, dew point 17, altimeter 29er83. VOR Alpha GPS, circle runway 12 approach in use. Landing and departing runway 12.
Yeah.
Hazardous weather information is available on HIWAS and flight service frequencies. Airmet SEER is in effect for mountain obscuration and IFR conditions on the coast. Attention all aircraft entering Whiteman Class Delta service area from Burbanks Class Charlie airspace. Request that you would proceed via the 5 freeway or the 210 freeway for entry into Whiteman's Class Delta. Do not proceed direct for the forced accent down. Advise on this for contact. You have information India. Whiteman Tower information
very good.
India 2255 Zulu.
Press this button.
07. Visibility 10.
Yeah.
Sky. 733 Alpha Mike Whiteman Tower. Good afternoon.
Now I'm going to talk to the...
12 clear for takeoff.
One moment. One moment, please. Thing over about my seat. Nicer. It was stuck. Good. Now I'm going to talk to the ground. Okay, I'm going to tell them who we are. We're 882 Foxtrot. Where we are at ROTOR F, with what weather information India, and what we're going to what we want to do. Taxi or takeoff. Give 1 second. Whiteman ground, Grumman 882 Foxtrot at ROTOR F with information India. Taxi for takeoff.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, Whiteman ground, good afternoon, only 12 taxi Alpha, confirm you have India?
We have information India, runway 12 taxi Alpha, thank you. 882 Foxtrot. Now lift your foot off the brake, lift your foot up, let the brakes go. I'm going to dig the airplane out of here, then I'm going to let you steer.
Yeah, taxi for takeoff, we've got an IFR flight plan on file for Chino.
3138, come back, Whiteman ground, runway 3.
Right and left. In this airport, there could be cars here, people driving motorcycles, bicycles, even chasing dogs.
38, come back, wind's currently 100.
Do you see that yellow line? Press the top of your right foot to turn. Press. Press hard. There you go. More, right there. Now press top of your left foot so that it stops it from turning. Very good, not too much. Now we're going to hold the airplane on this yellow line. Just by little pressure down like that. There you go. Now we're going to turn left here. Press your top of your left foot to follow the yellow line. Very good. Now press top of your right foot to hold it on the line. A little bit more right foot. Notice it wants to go that way. There you go. There you go. You gain the control there. Now look that way. Make sure no airplane is coming in.
Okay.
They always come in that way. Now we're going to turn right here. I'll tell you when to press your right foot. Now press your right foot to turn. Follow that yellow line. More right foot, more. There you go. Now once it comes less right foot now, with less right foot, very good. There you go, more, a little bit right foot, very good. We're going to hold it on this line. Press your, yeah, very good. Notice that dashed area there, dash, dash, dash?
Yep.
That's the engine test area. We're going to turn right into it. Press top of your right foot. Good. Do you see those arrows painted on the pavement?
Yep.
We're going to go to the base of the arrow, then we're going to follow the bases to go to the first arrow, the oily greasy one up there. Now press your left foot. Very good. Now little right foot to hold it straight, right foot topple.
To that one, yeah.
Yeah, topple right foot though, press topple right foot. There we go, we're going to go to the base here. And when I tell you, press topple the left foot hard, press hard. There you go, notice it turns on a dime, and we're right by the arrow. We're not exactly on the arrow, but that's okay. Let the left foot go.
Yep.
Very good, we're going to go park by it. There you go. There you go, now we're going to test our engine. Ready?
Okay.
38 Quebec is cleared to Chino Air.
Hold the brakes.
Yep.
Runway 30.
Now take this throttle
Victor 186.
and gently press it in until this needle is right at my fingernail.
At 20, yep.
Not 20, 1800.
80.
3 pass, 1 5.
134.
Slowly.
2. Squawk 4636.
Very good, more. More. Right there. Perfect. Now you can let go. We're going to check our gauges. Our battery is charging, our oil temperature is cool, our oil pressure is right in green, fuel pressure is good. Our hour meter is working, our vacuum is good, and our exhaust gas temperature is just fine. Now we're going to test our spark plugs. You're going to grab this key, go one easy click to the left, one click to the left. Good. That's 1 hour of spark plugs working. One click to the right. Very good. Now you're going to go 1, 2 clicks to the left. Very good. Now 2 clicks to the right. 1, 2. Excellent. Now, pull this out all the way.
All the way?
All the way. Engine works with carburetor heat. Pull this out all the way. Very good. Everything does work. Push this all the way in.
So
Very good. Now turn this light on. Yeah, there we go. Turn this on and we're going to see this rise. Let's see whether it does. Wait for it. It's rising. You can now shut it off. Good. Now we're going to test our full power, meaning apply brakes hard and grab this and push it gently all the way in. All the way. All the way, all the way, all the way. Until it stops. Very good. Now I'm going to adjust this thing here to see whether we can get more power. A little bit more power there. And we're powering the green. So our engine power is okay. Now pull this back all the way out. Very good. Now we're going to set this there and make sure this is indicating right, which is hard to see, but we're going to take a look. It's swinging around 24 and west, more or less correct. Our runway is 12. Now you can take your foot off the pedals completely and put it on the cabin. You're not going to need them until we land, okay? Now I'm going to take this to the runway. Give me 1 second here. Got it? And you're looking that way, make sure nobody comes in. Good, we're going to close this. There you go. Ready? Oh, okay. Now you see the runway entrance, 2 solid yellow lines and 2 dashed lines. So we're not going to cross it until I ask them. We're going to stop here. Whiteman Tower, ground 882 Foxtrot, holding short of runway 12 at Alpha for right downwind departure into NI's airspace.
Whiteman Tower, good afternoon. Right downwind departure is approved. Runway 12 cleared for takeoff.
Right downwind departure approved. Runway 12 cleared for takeoff. 882 Foxtrot. Hands on this, please. Now we're going to turn on the line with the center of the runway. I'm doing that with the pedals. Here we are. Little less turn there. Now.
Cessna 73 Tango Juliet, Whiteman ground, good afternoon.
All the way in.
all the way in?
All the way in. All the way, all the way, all the way. Okay, hands on this. Now we're going to do this together, okay? Lift the nose a little bit up like this. Hold it like that. Pull it a little bit to your chest. There you go. Hold it right there. A little bit more to your chest. Notice what's happening. Hold it like that. Now push the nose forward. There you go. Okay, you're airborne. Right, there's the tower we're talking to.
Weapon tower, 733 Alpha Mike, holding short 12.
Okay, we're going to follow the runway there. Those are called the four stacks, the four red and white pajama pattern things.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to go toward that silver-looking tank.
Yeah.
Straight.
All aircraft flight tower information, Julius, current winds 1008, altimeter is 2983.
Do you see this big pit?
Yes.
We're going to go by the pit, then we're going to fly across the pit. I'm going to tell you.
Okay.
Runway 12, clear for takeoff.
What is that?
Ready?
Yep.
Clear for takeoff.
Now you're going to tilt right
Yep.
and a little bit to your chest. Little bit. There we go. Right there. Just hold it right there. Little less tilt. Very good. Very good. Notice how we're turning?
Yep.
That's interstate 5. When we face it, we're going to bring the wings level. Bring the wings level like this.
30,
Very good. Now we're going to fly this way. Tilt right and pull little to your chest. Little, not too much. Very good. Little less tilt. You see the airport?
Yeah.
Very good. We're going to go parallel to the runway like this. Wings level.
Okay.
Bring the flaps up, that way. Flaps, up.
Up. Push this forward.
Yeah, they're up. They're good. Very good. Leave the flaps. Perfect.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, you start your left turn for 118. Take Van Nuys Tower, have a great afternoon.
Roger, starting the left turn prior to 118, we'll contact Van Nuys Tower 120.2882 Foxtrot. Press this button.
This.
Yeah, press. Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, just southeast of 118.5 interchange. Requesting transition through Van Nuys airspace south along 405.
782 Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower, transition approved, Van Nuys altimeter 2979er, squawk 0210, remain on the east side of the 405 freeway for traffic and status.
Roger, transition approved, east side of 405, squawk 0210, will stay over Sepulveda for the traffic in the pattern. 127, 82 Foxtrot.
Number 7 Quebec Foxtrot, running 16 left, clear for the option.
Now.
For the option, make left close traffic over the flood control basin.
Do you see the 405 freeway?
1,800.
Yes.
This is 118 freeway. Goes to Simi Valley, Ronald Reagan freeway.
Okay.
And that's 405 freeway. We're going to turn that way to south
Which is down, remain west.
over Sepulveda. Push the nose down though. Don't pull it to your chest.
They are
Because it's going to go up. You see the boulevard down there?
Yes.
We're going to turn left over the boulevard and hold the nose down. Push down.
Your copy. Once you enter the down, remain on the left side of the 405 freeway for opposite direction, Grumman.
There you go. That's Van Nuys Airport, the yellow area there.
Okay.
Van Nuys Tower.
We're talking.
Stacy Sierra, once you enter the down, remain west of the 405 for opposite direction, Grumman.
There you go. Push the nose down.
Right, clear to land, wind 130 at 10.
Now normally you would see downtown LA, but it's so hazy, you're not going to see them.
November 225, over the flood control basin, your right crosswind is approved. 701 Foxtrot traffic, 2.5 mile final. Hit by plane number 2 to follow, report traffic inside.
So this is our speed.
This is our speed here.
Oh, that's
We're
our
going
speed. That's
yeah.
our engine revs. Okay.
That's correct. That's our altitude.
Yep.
1,800, like a clock.
Okay.
If it goes to 0, it will be 2,000, but you want to stay at 1,200.
Okay.
800,
And
pardon.
this is the sort of.
That's the how, whether the nose is down or up.
Okay.
And you want to hold it down so,
1,800
so that we don't want to climb up, because they are actually...
Roger, Grumman 82 Foxtrot traffic, heading to your right, opposite direction. Cessna has you inside.
Roger, looking for traffic 882 Foxtrot. He says there's an airplane coming in that mark there.
1010.
And we're going to have to see it, but he's on the other side of the freeway.
Okay.
Oh, we're going to see it. Oh, there it is. You see it?
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, there we go. So we're doing our job. We're seeing the traffic and we're on this side of the freeway. We're avoiding it.
So if we had one coming towards us, we always go to the right?
Yeah, he'll tell us, but he has a radar.
Yeah.
That's why he won't send anybody coming towards us. If it is, he's going to switch us over there.
Okay.
Very good. You're going to see Burbank Airport soon. It's in the haze.
701 Foxtrot traffic is now with the VOR pits. Number 2, running 16 right, cleared, touch and go.
Do you see the Burbank jet? Push the nose down.
Oh, yes.
We're going to go under it.
Woo!
So.
Oh, no. Really?
Yeah.
Ah! Oh my God.
It's a Southwest jet going to Burbank. Push the nose down.
It feels like we're so close to it.
And if you look down there, we're going to see the Burbank Airport in the distance. The black runway going like this.
Yes.
There we go.
Yeah, I see.
There you go. That's going right there.
Oh, there goes the plane. Oh.
Single 1 Foxtrot traffic opposite base Cessna for the parallel runway.
Now you see this lake?
Yes.
It's south of the Van Nuys. It's called Lake Balboa in the middle of a park. You can go park there. It's for free. And you can also rent a paddle boat, paddle on the lake.
That's my local lake. That's my local park.
Okay.
Just flew over our house. Did we? Yeah.
Yeah, hold on. Let me call the tower.
Yep.
Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot. You'd like to make one sharp left 180 at the Ventura Boulevard and go back to Whiteman Airport.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, British request to remain on the east side of the freeway.
The food as requested will remain east side of the freeway 882 Foxtrot. You see the 101 freeway?
Traffic 1/2 mile north of the interchange is going to be making a left 180 northbound. They are restricted east.
Wow.
Don't shoot down and remain
A lot of
in
traffic.
west for the 456.
And this is the Sepulveda Pass goes to Santa Monica. Right here, 405 freeway. Now we're going to do an emergency maneuver. Say we're going like this and all of a sudden mountain comes up, he can't climb. What are we going to do? We're going to make a very sharp left turn. I'm going to show you. Just follow my motion. No, hands on this.
Okay.
405 freeway, please.
Roger, we'll remain on the east side of the 405, 882 Foxtrot.
882 Foxtrot, change by frequency 119.3.
119.3, 882 Foxtrot.
Wind 12010.
Hold it. Now ready? Ready?
I think so.
Now power to idle. Tilt the airplane. Tilt the airplane.
Ah!
Pull to your chest. Pull to your chest.
There. Foxtrot traffic.
Oh my God.
Navigation in the downwind.
Roger, resuming on navigation 882 Foxtrot. Look down.
Restored Quebec Foxtrot traffic. No factor.
Notice what we did? We actually made a U-turn in the boulevard there and we went up in altitude. There you see the helicopter inside 882 Foxtrot.
Go ahead, Foxtrot Large, thank you.
Very good, we're going to hold on here.
Oh.
Did you like the turn?
No.
No? It's a lifesaver, you know, you can't go up the mountain, you're going to turn back.
So it just feels like you're going to lose all your power.
No, we pull the power so that it, you know, it doesn't make a very high G turn, otherwise your head will be put sideways. We very nicely turned, you didn't feel anything, right?
No.
Nicely, and we made very sharply, we turned within the boulevard down there at going like 100 miles an hour. Try, imagine doing that with a car. Impossible. You need a very special car to do that, the wheels, you know.
So helicopters, do they give way to us?
Yes.
Because they can maneuver quicker?
Yeah, that's correct. But that one was asked to stay to the, you know, stick to the west side, and but we still have to see them, and that's why I said I see the helicopter.
Okay.
Cessna 8 Sierra, taxi across runway 16 right, cut to ground point 7 on the other side.
Cross 16 right, ground point 7, thanks, 8 Sierra.
Those flashes.
I'm in X Tower, got the digit 623, Island Zulu 16 right.
You like to push the nose forward, push it forward like that, and hold it like that. If you let go, you see the nose comes up, push it forward, and hold. I'm going to let you, you know, feel how much power it requires. Push it and hold like a little bit more push, a little bit more.
Yeah, okay.
A little bit more forward. Never
So it really pushes back, doesn't it?
Yeah, it wants to come up.
Yeah.
Never be afraid of pushing the nose down because the airplane speeds up and wants to come back up. So no problem. Maybe you want to stay at 1,800. Now you can pull a little bit back, too much. Push forward, a little bit more,
It's tricky trying to get it just that right.
Yeah, that's right. But this is your first time, so no problem.
7306 Echo Foxtrot. 416 left clear for takeoff. Traffic 1 mile final says no left push traffic approved. 16 left clear for takeoff. 306 Echo Foxtrot.
You see that little hill?
Yes.
Whiteman Airport is right at the foot of that hill. We're going to go that way soon.
Oh.
This is VA Hospital, as it is called, this complex here.
Foxtrot, contact Whiteman Tower 135.0.
Whiteman Tower 135.0, 882 Foxtrot. Press this button, please. There we go. Whiteman Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, a B in the VA Hospital, over Sepulveda, inbound to land with information, Juliet.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, Whiteman Tower, right base, runway 12, clear to land.
enter right base, runway 12, runway 12, clear the land, 882 Foxtrot. Now we're going to, wings level, we're going to go parallel to the freeway, like that. And we're going to climb up to 2,000 feet, pull up to your chest a little, like that. Not too much, now push the nose forward. Very
Whoops,
good.
sorry.
That's good, that's the negative G's. Now ready?
What are we doing?
We're going to go this way and turn and land.
Oh, okay. You are.
Now give me flaps all the way down. Pull it toward your,
down?
yeah, pull it all the way to yourself.
Yep.
All the way down. Push the nose forward. Push the nose forward. Notice it's lifting us up, so we need to go down. More. All the way down. Good. You see the airport? The runway
oh
going?
yeah, with the chimneys. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Chimneys is there. Airport is right here, right?
Yeah.
And notice how high we are, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to have to go down. What we do is we're going to hold the throttle like this. We're going to go like that.
1264 Quebec, Whiteman ground, runway 12, taxi V Alpha.
882 Foxtrot over Interstate 5.
Quite windy.
Yeah. Hold the nose down. So that we can get down, right, as we discussed.
Yeah.
Now gently turn to the runway like you're doing. Just gently, no sharp turns because flaps makes it sluggish.
Okay.
Very good. Hold the nose down. You don't want to pull it toward your chest because it's going to lose speed and fall. We don't want that to.
This is for Quebec, say your question.
Hold the nose down a little bit more this way so that we align the runway.
I have your request, this is for Quebec.
You see those two white lights to the right of the runway?
Yes.
They say that we're high, but that's good.
Number 2 to follow Bremen on a mile final.
You don't want to come low,
There's no land.
otherwise turbulence comes in, we're going to run into these houses and trees.
Okay.
So we don't want to do that.
We don't want to do
Now,
that.
we can't land at the beginning of the runway, but we can land after the white line. The numbers, just before the numbers?
Yes.
Very good, so we're going to aim toward that.
Okay.
Our speed is good.
What else around?
Nobody's coming in, good. Hold the nose down, hold the nose down. And I'll add some power so that we can make it to the runway. Hold the nose down. The runway is turbulent, the air is turbulent around here. So don't worry, just follow my motions.
Do I need feet on the pedals yet?
Yeah, no, don't touch the pedals
don't
yet.
touch the pedals.
Don't
Okay.
touch the pedals yet. Very good. Very good. Nose little up. Hold on. And as it descends, we're going to bring it up. Slowly up. Slowly up. Up. There you go.
Oh.
Did you like the landing?
Very nice.
Very good. Now we're going to slow down.
Doing the pedals.
Open this. Hold on. Not yet. Not yet. Bear with me. We're still on the runway. Let's exit the runway. Pull the flaps up.
Taxi Park V Alpha.
Taxi to parking the Alpha 882 Foxtrot. Did you like the landing?
Okay, flaps are up. Yeah, very good.
Very so. Okay. See that helicopter, black one?
Yeah.
They were building that helicopter when I was training in Van Nuys. It used to be white. They painted it yellow and black. Now your feet up on the pedals. You're going to hold us on this line. Got it?
Yep.
Very good. Now we're going to go.
Cessna 1264 Quebec. It'll be a 4-stage departure at 2,500. Squawk 4616.
Notice somebody's coming in to land.
Yep. So was there a bit of a crosswind?
Yeah, tiny bit, not much. Just
So we didn't have to do anything with the tail?
Yeah, well, I was doing that a little bit.
Yeah.
And notice wings were tilted and I was doing the opposite tail.
Okay.
Yeah. What you do is you lean into the crosswind so that it doesn't throw us over like this. Then apply the opposite pedal so that the airplane goes straight. So that was what I was doing. Notice he's coming in.
Yeah.
Gonna watch him land there, coming close. Now he's floating there. Notice he's floating. There he touched the hand. So, right.
64 Quebec, yeah. Hold short of runway 12.
Holding short 126 Quebec.
That's an airplane right next to our hangar, the Glendale Community College one.
Quebec, Whiteman Tower, wind 100 at 9er. Execute runway 30 IFR departure procedure. Runway 30 clear for takeoff.
Roger, Korea, Quebec, we're rolling.
Now, do you see that line turning this way?
Yes.
To the right, we're
Yeah.
going to take that one.
Okay.
Wait, and then I tell you, press the top of the right pedal. Right here. More right, press more right. A little bit more. There you go. Now, a little less. Little less. Now, press top of the left. Top of the left.
Oh, I missed
There
the
you go.
left.
Yeah, there you go. Now get onto the line right. That's okay. That's no problem. It's your first time. So we're going to go straight. We're exactly like 30 minutes. You can see. Very well. Top of the left a little. To hold it on the line a little. There you go. A little bit more.
So 1264 Quebec, 4 stacks departure. Runway 12 is clear for takeoff.
Now I'm going to help you here.
Departure 12 clear for takeoff, 12.
Because our wing has to swing very close to the chain on that little red plane vehicle.
Oh.
And I'll show you how.
Yeah, that sounds a bit tricky.
Just let me, this doesn't hurt anything because it doesn't do any steering, only feet.
Okay.
So I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
Notice the chain there?
Yeah.
Our wing is going to turn and pass close to that chain. And we have to avoid its tail as well. So I'm going to turn here and watch to make sure we don't hit the chain. Like there, okay, we're clear of the chain there. Now we're going to turn to avoid the tail, but we still want to go that way. A little bit that way. Okay, we're clear of the tail. We're going to go this way. Now we're going to turn like this. Like this, and then we're going to straighten the wheel like this. Hold on. Like that. They're more or less pretty good, exactly aligned. Good.
Wow.
Now we're going to shut the aircraft down according to the checklist. Now here's what we do. First, press this button, VFR. Then press and hold this button. Very good. Now click this one off. Click. Same here. Wait for it to shut down, then grab this. You're going to pull it all the way out.
Out?
Out, all the way toward you. There you go. Only air goes to the engine. Guess what happened?
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't, well, it's dieseling. Let it diesel a little. There you go. Now turn it off and pull it out and put it up here. Now shut the red switch off.